Welcome to Temecula, where adventure begins with the rising sun. The hot air balloons are carefully prepared, each one a vessel of dreams waiting to ascend. Ground crews work meticulously, ensuring every detail is perfect. The colorful balloons come to life, inflating slowly and majestically. Excited customers gather, their anticipation palpable. Friends, families, and solo adventurers alike, each with a heart full of wonder. As the final checks are completed, everyone steps into the basket, ready for an unforgettable journey. With a gentle roar of the burners, the balloons gracefully take off. They rise steadily, offering a breathtaking view of Temecula's rolling vineyards, lush landscapes, and distant mountains. Below, the world transforms into a patchwork quilt of nature's beauty, while above, the sky opens up with endless possibilities. This is just the beginning of their adventure in Temecula. As the hot air balloon ascends higher into the sky, an enchanting panorama unfolds beneath you. The vineyards stretch out like a lush green tapestry, interwoven with winding roads and dotted with charming wineries. The morning sun casts a golden glow, illuminating the vast expanse of Temecula wine country. From this vantage point, the world feels both vast and intimate. You can see the meticulous rows of grapevines, the gentle curves of the rolling hills, and the serene beauty of distant mountain ranges. This is the perfect moment to capture the essence of Temecula with your camera. Show example aerial photos, sweeping views of vineyards, clusters of quaint wineries, and the majestic mountains in the background. The first photo captures the sun-kissed vineyards, their vibrant greens contrasting with the rich earth tones. The second shot frames the intricate patterns of the grapevines, revealing the artistry of nature. Finally, a wide-angle shot embraces the entire landscape, from the verdant valleys to the towering peaks, painting a picture of pure tranquility. Each click of the shutter preserves a piece of this magical experience, allowing you to relive the wonder long after you've touched back down. Up here in the serene embrace of the sky, you truly understand why a hot air balloon ride over Temecula is an adventure like no other. The hot air balloons gracefully descend, landing softly on the open fields. Passengers disembark with smiles, sharing their excitement and newfound memories. The scene transitions to a picturesque winery where the morning sun casts a golden glow over the vineyards. Everyone raises a toast, celebrating a beautiful morning journey over Temecula's wine country. Laughter and clinking glasses fill the air as stories of the flight are shared. It's not just about the views, it's about the connections and the moments that make the adventure truly unforgettable. Cheers to an extraordinary experience in Temecula. Until next time, keep your spirits high and your adventures even higher.